Body believed to be that of missing British Jamaican woman found in shallow grave. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. Residents of Warren River, Westmoreland on Monday unearthed what is believed to be the body of 64-year-old Dawn Anderson, a Jamaican-born British woman who went missing shortly after arriving in the island last week. The body was reportedly found buried near her home. However, it was not removed by the police on Monday night. The police stated that they didn't want to disturb any evidence, so they left a team at the location last night and will try to exhume the body today. A member of the Jamaica Constabulary Force told reporters. Anderson's disappearance reportedly followed a brief stay at a Montego Bay hotel with her 37-year-old husband Andre Morrison. On Tuesday, Morrison reportedly contacted his wife's daughters in the United Kingdom, telling them that Anderson had disappeared after he dropped her off at the beach in Negril to meet with a client. He reportedly said that he returned to pick her up and she was gone.
At this moment, reality hasn't really set in as yet. I have not processing what has been happening. But hopefully when I see the body, I then maybe, I don't know, I'll be different, feeling different. But at this moment, I don't know what to think. Until I see the body, that's when I will know that yes, this is my sister.
She says the entire family is devastated by the loss.
My mother, father, who is in their 80s, they're shattered, and brothers and sisters in the UK, nieces, nephews, everyone is shattered. Can't believe this would happen to a mother, a sister, grandmother who is so kind and caring.
Anderson had made a name for herself by selling clothing on the beaches in Negril, frequently appearing on Morrison's TikTok page as she showcased her goods. We'll have more comprehensive details to come. On this in our comprehensive program, Let's Talk. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.